Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Rave app on iPhone. As you probably know, Rave has been removed from the App Store, but there is still a way to get it. You can see I already have it on my iPhone, and it works perfectly fine, so yes, this method actually works. If you want to get it too, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, no need to waste any more time. Let's jump right into it. Okay guys, first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open up your web browser. Then go ahead and search for this website, taptoapps.com. Just type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you find the Rave app. There it is, tap on it, then just hit get and it'll start installing. This should take around 40 to 50 seconds depending on your internet speed. When it's done, go back to your home screen and you should see the app there. Simple, right? That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.